everyone, Sam Umentum here from Con 330, and I'm out on the Green Circle Trail today to film our social media video. You guys are pretty lucky because I picked a really nice section of the trail and I'm going to take you guys for a little ride on it. So I don't have a GoPro unfortunately, but I do have duct tape, so don't try this at home. I apologize in advance if the camera works a little shaky and shady, but if you had your phone duct taped to your head, I don't think you could do much better. So let's go. Now this is the Moses Creek section of the Green Circle Trail. It's one of my favorites because it's really heavily wooded, never very crowded, and the trails are really smooth. You also notice there's a lot of pine trees out here. Love the smell of that. This section's really cool because all the pines are kind of cut in a row. You got to ride right down the middle trail of them. Sharp corner here. A lot of cool different little boardwalks, as you guys can see right here. Good place to gain some momentum. Now this Green Circle Trail does go all over Stevens Point for miles and miles, so if you guys get a chance, I highly suggest it. Thanks for riding along.